So guys, finally I bought it. One of my favorite cars, and that's the new Bronco. I really love the looks of this car, so I need to have it. But I didn't buy the full size car, I bought the 1/10 scale car from TRAXXAS, the TRX4. And today we're going to unbox this car and we're going to take a look at all the small details. Stay tuned. So the TRX4, as you know, I already have the TRX4 Sport, but I needed to have the TRX4, and because this one has got the newly styled Bronco, and I really love the appearance of this car, so that's why I bought the TRX4. First of all, let's get it out of the box. So guys, here it is, the TRAXXAS TRX4 Bronco. I really love the appearance of this car, and I must be honest with you, because I already took it out of the box and I pre-installed the light kit inside there. Yeah, I just couldn't wait to film everything, so I already did that, but I will show you all the details. So inside the box you will find yourself a manual with some stickers and some tools. Of course, you've got your 4-channel remote control and the car itself. So we will start with the transmitter. A lot of you guys already know this transmitter. It's a pretty decent one. It feels solid in the hand. It's a bit bulky and it's only got 4 channels, but yeah, it will do the job. You need to supply 4 AA batteries of your own. This switch is for your high and your low gearing. Of course, your throttle, your steering. Then you've got this 3-position switch. This is for your div locks. You've got the menu button, you've got the set button, you've got your steering trim, and you've got your multi-function button. This one can be used if you want to use cruise control, if you want to have the traction control. You can use this dial to set the parameters of it. Yeah, overall the transmitter is okay. It's not my favorite, but it's doing the job. So let's take a look at the car. TRAXXAS did a pretty nice job by recreating the real Bronco, and they added a lot of small details. So you've got some wipers, you've got actually folding mirrors, that's pretty nice to see. The door handles are separate pieces, the fenders are separate pieces, those are also separate pieces. I really like all the small details they have added. The front grille looks amazing with the big Bronco riding over there. I already pre-installed the lighting, so I've got the indicators, you've got your day running lights, and then you've got your hazard lights. Yeah, what I really don't like are the fake TRAXXAS winches. Yeah, I don't like those. Yeah, TRAXXAS, please stop adding those. So you've got some D-hooks over there. You've got a plastic skid plate, which feels pretty solid, pretty sturdy. That's nice to see. So you've got the side steps, which actually also hold the body in place. That's a nice feature to see. And you've got very nice detailed backlights. You've got your spare tire, and I added some straps to it. You can add a tow hook if you would like. Some number plating going on there. And yeah, the overall appearance of this car looks amazing. So to take the body off, it's a clipless body system, and you have to pull on 2 little levers to get the body off, and I will show you that in a bit. So be careful if you install the light kit, because you have got the lead cable that's going inside the distribution box. So be careful when removing the body. So the clipless body system, you can see it right over here. You've got some small clips which you push to the outside of the car, and then you will release the clip system. So the body itself, it's sturdy. They added some extra pieces to give it more rigidity to the body, and yeah, I really like that. So the car, well, probably everybody knows the car. The car is well built, it's sturdy, all the plastic parts feel amazing, they're very tough. So you've got your standard TRAXXAS Titan 21 turn 550 motor. You've got your standard XL5 speed controller ESC. Inside this little box you've got your receiver and you've got two little servos over here. So this one is for the front diff lock, this one is for the rear diff locks, and underneath here you will find the third mini servo, and this one is for the 2-speed function. I installed already the Pro Light kit in that. The thing what I don't like about the Pro Scale Lighting Power Module is that you have to use physically buttons on the module itself to change the light settings. So if you want to have your hazard lights on, then you have to press this button. If you want to change the light mode of the headlights and the tail lights, then you have to press this button. Yeah, I really hate that, and TRAXXAS, please make something that you can use your remote control to select which light setting you would like to use. So let's take the car outside and see how it drives and how it performs. So guys, the TRAXXAS TRX4. Overall, I really like this car. It looks amazing and it drives amazing, and it is a very capable car. There are some things that you should pay attention to. On my right side, the front suspension is not completely filled, so it's hanging a little bit to that side, so you need to look out for the shocks. Another thing with I noticed is that my Pro Lighting Scale module, it's got some faulty electronics inside there because it wasn't at full capacity, and sometimes we had a glitch in the lighting system, so we need to have take a look to the module. But overall the car looks amazing, drives amazing, and I really like it. Another thing what I don't like about the Pro Light module is that you have to use physically the buttons on the module itself to change the lighting settings. I really would like to have seen another button on the transmitter so you can adjust the lights on that, but TRAXXAS, please change that. Maybe you can figure out some way to make something of your own. I probably will take all this electronics out of the car and put my own electronics in that, but that's for another video. Well, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.